Okay, so we need to go ahead and start laying out this website. In the previous tutorial video, we took our wireframe and started adding some garish colors to represent the different structure tags that will go around this content so that we can start actually building our website. So this is going to be the home page of my final project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new HTML page and make sure it is in fact HTML. And the home page of every website is always named index.html. So I know we've been doing type practice.html or basic HTML.html, but right now for the final project for your website, your home page should be named index.html. So I'm going to go ahead and do File, Save, and I'm going to create a new folder called Final Project on my desktop, and that's where I'm going to save every single page, image, whatever it may be for my final website. It should all go into this folder, no exceptions. So I'll go ahead and type index, and it has .html. It should automatically save it as that. So by now your computer should be showing you the extensions. If it isn't, Google how to show the extensions on your computer because you need to have that. So go ahead and hit save. And we want to make sure that we have created a new CSS for this page. So we're going to go ahead and change this to new CSS and then do File, Save As. And in the exact same folder, Desktop Final Project, I'm going to call this styles.css. And all of the pages should link to that CSS. In the next tutorial video, we're going to add the basic structure for our page, make sure it's linking to the CSS, and then we'll start actually building all of this structure.